folks, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to manage product catalog in Odoo Field Service module. Imagine you're an on-site employee. Unfortunately, you forgot some of your product and you need that product to complete your work. At that time, what will you do? Yeah, here we have a solution and let's see what is the solution in Odoo. So let's move on to the video. So let's see how we can easily manage the product catalog in Odoo Field Service module. Within real example, here you can see the example in front of your dashboard, like the project name as Fixed Sync and a field service project with the worksheet template like device installation and maintenance. Here we have the customer information, which is course, the Addison Olsen in the Pleasant Hills, and planned date as 12 May 2025. And the other information like contact number, sale order item, allocated time, and everything, right? So here in assign side, it's empty, right? We are going to give or assign this to someone else. So let's see. Yeah, here I'm going to assign this to Michelle Admin. And here we have the priority side, like you can easily prioritize using the stars and the tag option also. We can easily put the tags what we needed. And let's create a scenario which actually goes like when Michelle Admin arrives in the field, at the middle of his work, he suddenly have a thought like he needs some more product to complete his work, like he needs some screws or a water testing kit to complete his work, right? So we can easily access the product button using a tab or a font. So let's see how it works. Click on the product button here and let's see what is happening. Yeah, here we are in the product catalog session, and which is included so many or numerous of product. So let's see how we can add the product. All right. So I'm going to add the screws. So I'm adding 5 units of screw. We can easily add the product using this button, and we can detect the product using this button also. And here you can see the product name and how much for one unit, every detail, right? And we can easily remove if we we didn't need this product also. And let's move to the home construction side. We need one more product. Yeah, water testing kit. So here we are. Like you can see the product category and the attribute right here. So this is very useful to select or search our product what we needed. So here in the product category, we have clothes, drinks, expense, food, furniture, goods, everything. So it is categorized, right? And here we have the attribute also. So here you can see the size, color, everything. So we can easily get the product what we need. So once Michelle have done with the product that he needed, he can just move back to the project side. And yeah, we can see that in the product button is filled, like product button have 6 product. We were added the 6 product and the total amount also you can see here, right? So this is all about how we can manage the product catalog in the Odoo Field Service module. So once he done with his work, like he can start his work by clicking here, and once he done with his work, he can directly, log time. Let's see. Yeah, he can easily mark as done this, right? And while he done that, he can easily create the invoice also by hitting this button. So this is very helpful for the customer and also for the person who is responsible for the field work. Like we can say here so many advantage, like no more forgetting what Michelle or you have used. And right, we can say it makes billing very easy and comfort. And we can say that it's help you to stay on the top of the stock, better service, less hassle, and save time every time, right? So this is very useful. So that's it. So I hope you all understand this video. If you like this video, do subscribe, share with your friends, and have a nice day. Thank you.